Grandpa, it has been said that you can only give your children two things, roots and wings. You gave me both in many ways. When I was when I was young, Camilla and I decided that your garden gate was a drive-through window. To indulge our silly conclusion, you fired up the red tractor so we could visit the McDonald's drive-through in your backyard. Your garden was always a miniature farm to me, full of fascinating plants, from beautiful roses to delicious raspberries. These are my roots. The understanding that painstaking care can create something beautiful. Exerting all your effort can create something that commands the attention of all of those who happen to see it. My wings came from your support in all of my, let's say, non-standard interests. When I was a child, I'd rather talk about the engineering needed to visit the Titanic at the bottom of the ocean and the rockets that carried us into the stars. You listened to it all. As my understanding grew and became more numbers and less fantastic, you listened. We watched dozens of SpaceX launches, where you looked at my wonder and kept up as I explained the difference between a gas generator cycle and a full-flow staged combustion cycle rocket engine, speaking at 1,000,000 miles a minute as I tend to do. We flew half a dozen of the RC aircrafts that I cobbled together. Some hit the ground immediately, others were able to pull off full acrobatic performances. You were just impressed with the ones that landed as the ones that underwent an unscheduled disassembly. For that reason, I kept building. The effort and encouragement. I set up a prototype 3D printer on your kitchen table in the summer of 2016, and you watched the machine do its work like I had the first time I saw a 3D printer, watching the machine turn a spool of plastic into a little robot. The last time we drove together, just the two of us, the night of my birthday, we came back from the restaurant, the trusty old Buick LeSabre, keeping up with traffic, listening to the left lane, listening to opera. It was like we were flying, cruising just above the clouds like nothing else mattered. You loved it all. Anything I did with a passion, you loved. You love me. I love you.